Michelle, welcome to my channel. I'm going to be doing an Elyse Fournier inspired pour this evening. And this is yellow medium hue. This is cadmium orange hue. And I mixed a little bit of the cadmium red hue together with the orange to make it a little bit deeper. Then I do have just the cadmium red hue. And I mixed these three blues to make the blue that I've got this evening. And I have dioxazine purple. So now that I have all my colors, let's get down to the canvas. Back in a flash. Hey guys, here we go. I am going to be doing a injection pour. It is inspired by one of Elise's videos, and I will link that in the description. This is 16 by 20 level 2 canvas. I picked up these at Michael's today. They were like 99 cents. So I'm trying to go with no more plastic, but it's a process, and I have to, it's gonna take a little while. Okay, so here's the yellow. I'm gonna layer this. Here's the orange. The colors seem to be a little bit on the thicker side, so I wanted to be able to layer them. I'm hoping this works out. We'll see. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. The red was sinking. So that's how we do it. If your colors are sinking, you just kind of drizzle it over top. And then the blue. I want a really bright cherry palette tonight. I think this is a 3-ounce little jar. And here comes the dioxazine purple. The blue's sinking too. Well, we'll see what happens here. I'm going to put it directly onto the canvas. And this seems like an awful lot of paint, though. We'll see what happens. Wow, look at that. So I have my BEHR SATIN enamel recipe, and I am just going to inject it into the pour. That's cool. I'm coming around the entire pour. There we go. I want some in here too. There we go. Should be interesting. I'm trying to remember the name of the video. It's not branchlets, it's something else. So I think that's enough paint. Now we're going to tilt this baby. I'm going to do a couple of paintings tonight because it's the weekend. Let me move these guys out of the way. I'll give that a torch. For now. And we're going to give it I'm going to tilt it really slowly. I'm sorry I'm not talking. So how's everybody doing? It is Good Friday today. It is windy as hell here. I remember when I lived in Canada, we celebrated Good Friday. Of course, I did have fish and chips today, which, you know, that was kind of cool. And my mom would always say at 3 or 4 o'clock it would start raining. And I think there were some dark clouds at about that time today here in Florida. Get that off there. Bring it back. Wow. Still, I have a lot of paint on here, so I have to tilt it off. I don't know how this is going to work out. We'll see. It's not her palette at all. She had a totally different palette. I'm just using the same technique. The palette is different. And I still need to get some paint off. What I want to keep this over here, so I'm going to tilt it this way. Get some of that purple off. I'm really liking what the colors are doing over here. It's kind of on the pastel side. Seems like there's way too much color. Maybe not. We'll see how it sells up. Sometimes it just eats it up, you know? So, and sometimes it doesn't. I have some wonky cells, but that's okay. Bring it back. And I'm going to torch it, and I'm going to leave it and see what comes of it. Wow, I've never done anything like this before. That is some bright colors. Woohoo! All right, guys. If this doesn't work out, we can always repair it. Let me see, you're not in frame there. There we go. See, that looks straight to me, but I know it's not. So I'm going to try and put it this way. So that looks crooked to me. Maybe that'll be straight to you. Every time. And I have a new lighting system tonight, so let me know if you guys can see this at all. You know, I'm hoping you can. That's kind of looking a little muddy, but we'll see. Torches, and they weren't working before, but it was because I didn't leave them. You have to leave them standing upright, otherwise they don't, and it just doesn't work. Gosh, I might go in there with some white, who knows. We'll see what happens with this. I'm gonna leave it though. You know, it doesn't look there we go. See, that's, well, whatever. It's either going to be really crooked or it's not. So I will talk to you guys in a few. I'm going to go on break, maybe have some dinner, and I'll be back. guys, it's Michelle. I'm back. I gotta turn this off pretty soon because Shelly is doing a Shelly Live tonight. I'm also a bloomer and a swiper. So I really love this piece. I don't think it turned out like Elyse's, but I really like this piece. And this was done with the BEHR satin enamels. I usually do this in the dark, but I have to climb a ladder to get to my lighting. So let me try, and this is probably a better way of shooting it. There we go. So you don't see my reflection. Yeah, I added those in. I really like them. Look at these cells. They're purple and yellow and oh my, all these different colors coming through. And I did a little swiping through these mangled cells, but they're not too mangled. They have their personalities. Yeah. And this is my favorite part right here. That is just too cool. I did put some Indian yellow. It was I think a Liquitex Professional into the Liquitex Cadmium Yellow Medium Hue. So, but that center is so brilliant. Sure is different for me, but please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Ciao for now.